Ciao, I'm Chiara from filo e segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet the granny square. The granny square is one of the most iconic crochet squares and quite often where beginner crocheters start their crochet journey, including myself. For this project I use several colors of this beautiful cotton yarn basic looks from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box, and a 4mm hook. First, I suggest to download the free chart. You can find the link in the info box below. First, we are going to create a magic ring. Then chain 3, and remember this count as your first double crochet, and now we do 2 double crochets more into the ring. And this is the first group of 3 double crochets. So now chain 3, then we do another group into the ring. So we do 3 double crochets into the ring. We need to have 4 group of 3 double crochet, so chain 3, then we do another group of 3 double crochets into the ring. So now we need to have another group, so first chain 3, then we do the last group of 3 double crochet. Chain 3 once again, then we pull the tail, then join with the slip stitch into the third chain to complete this first round of the pattern. So now we are going to change the color, so cut the yarn, then do a slip stitch. So now we have 4 groups of 3 double crochets and 4 chain 3 spaces, so insert your hook into one of these chain 3 spaces. Chain 3 spaces is the corner. So grab the new yarn, insert your hook and insert the yarn in this way. Grab the yarn and pull it through. And now chain 3, remember this count as your first double crochet, then 2 double crochets more into the same space. We are going to increase in each corner, so chain 3, then we do another group of 3 double crochets into the same space here, into this first corner. And now we are going to repeat this in each corner all the way around. To move into the next corner, first chain 2, then we move directly into the next chain 3 space where we do 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 double crochets, all in the same corner, in the same space. So now chain 2, then we jump directly into the next chain 3 space here, into the next corner where we do another set of 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 double crochets, all in the same space as we did before. And continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this round. So now chain 2, then join with the slip stitch into the third chain to complete this second round. And now if you want to change a color, cut the yarn, then do a slip stitch, and now grab the new yarn, then insert your hook into one of these corners as we did before. Insert the new yarn. Now chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet, then 2 double crochets more to create the first group of 3 double crochet. Now chain 3, then we do another group of 3 double crochets all in the same space. And now we are ready to work the side. So first chain 2, then we move into this chain 2 space of the previous row where we do one group of 3 double crochet. Chain 2, then we move into the next corner where we do a set of 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 double crochets all in the same space. Okay, so now chain 2, then we do 3 double crochets into the next space here, chain 2, then we move into the next corner and continue to repeat this until the end of this round. Chain 2, then join with a slip stitch into the third chain. So now we're going to change a color once again, but before proceeding I want to weave the tails using a tapestry needle. Okay, now we are ready to insert the new yarn. I choose this blue, this dark blue. Insert your hook into one of the corner, and now we are going to work 2 sets of 3 double crochets in each side. So first insert your hook and the yarn as we did before, chain 3, remember this counts as your first double crochet, then 2 double crochets into the same space, chain 3, then we do another set of 3 double crochet. So now we start to work into the side, so chain 2, then we move into this first space here where we do a set of 3 double crochet, chain 2, then we do another set into the next chain 2 space of the previous row, chain 2, then work the set of 3 double crochet, chain 3, then 3 double crochet as we did before, and continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this round. Okay, now I want to show you how to crochet a nice finish using a single crochet all the way around. So now we are going to do one single crochet, to work one single crochet into each double crochet of the previous row. Then we will do one single crochet into each chain 2 space of the previous row. Then we will do one single crochet, chain 1, then one single crochet into each corner. So let's do it together. So first chain 1, do not count as a stitch, then we do one single crochet into each single double crochet of the previous row. I suggest to place a marker into this first single crochet. So now we do into chain 3 space of the previous row, one single crochet, chain 1, then one single crochet. And now we do one single crochet into the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Then we do one single crochet into the chain 2 space of the previous row. So one single crochet into the next 3 stitches, one single crochet into the space, and continue to do this until the end of this round. And remember, into the space of the corner we do one single crochet, chain 1, then one single crochet. And of course, join with the slip stitch into the first single crochet. And the granny square is now complete. So cut the yarn, then weave the tail using a tapestry needle. And now let me show you the finished granny square, the iconic classic granny square. Of course, you can adapt your granny square on every project. For example, if you want the granny square more compact, you will do fewer chains between the 3 double crochet groups. Look at the sample I've made before. In this sample, I only made 2 chains in the corner and no chain between the group of 3 double crochets on each side. So pay attention, we will create a lot of projects with this granny square, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!